Hey guys, thanks so much for tuning in. I'm really sorry about the delay here. This is my first Diwali after getting married. Now, getting into the video, the monsoon was here, so there's like a lot of mud deposits in the mud guards. So, as you can see here, this is my observation. There's like so much of mud that's getting deposited. There is quite a bit of wear and tear when it comes to the discs. So, the front and rear discs, there has been wear and tear, which is pretty normal. And the mirror, as assumed before, like it's not providing much of a visibility for me. The switchgear, I mean, I'm not seeing much of a difference, right? And the indicators, though, they're like super flexible, and I'm not so very confident about them. There is a bit of an oxidization when it comes to the throttle cables and stuff, and the headlight spread is pretty good. I wouldn't complain. The seats, man, seriously, it's messed up. You really need to modify the seats. And yeah, the radiator does have a fan, so if it gets really hot, the fan would blow air into it. The engine gets cooler. I have, I know the suspension's bit stiff, and also there's a bit of a corrosion, right? So about the mileage test here, so I filled in like around 9.5 liters of fuel, and I don't know, I have clocked around 3,000 kilometers now. I'm gonna set it at trip B, and as you can see here, it's at 321 kilometers, and I still have 1 point left. And in the next day I was able to do at least 363.8 kilometers, and which is pretty good, right? And getting back to the rust issues, as you can see here, there's like a lot of rust, and the paint it just peels off, man, seriously. There's rust everywhere. What the heck is Suzuki doing? Like, look at this one right here. I mean, this happens when the surface treatment is not done properly. I mean, you get a thing here, like you get a product from somebody. Look at this one, the swing arm, right? You get a product from somebody, assuming that the quality would be good. Like if you're gonna, be given this sort of a crappy quality machine, like what the heck? I don't know, guys. I'm really sorry for this quick video, but I mean, this covers most of the aspects. I definitely keep you guys posted on more. Please do subscribe for more. Share this video so that people are aware of this, and at least Suzuki knows about this quality issue that's going on, and reverts to us like probably with a better product. Thank you so much, guys. Please do like and hit subscribe if this video was helpful to you. I'd really appreciate it if you do that. Thank you so much once again. Have a safe and happy Diwali. Bye bye.